Hey folks, MACTFORDEDGE back again. And as you can see, my car is pretty well packed full of stuff, but I did have a problem. I had a problem with my charger. You guys see anything wrong with that? You see anything wrong with it? I will show you how I'm going to fix my back port back down here. I'll show you in a minute, so that I can start using it again to charge my phone. It stopped charging, and I soon discovered why it wasn't charging. But the problem was, not all of this came out of the 12 volt socket down below. So I'm going to use a little compressed air to fix the problem. Not your standard repair, just a little compressed air, and I think we'll get her replaced and get what I need out of there to maybe fix this or throw it away and replace it with a new one. After all, it's been used a lot, so it did have a problem, and I'll show you what the problem was. Now, as you can see, yes, there's something missing on the end of this. Okay, this stayed inside the 12 volt socket. It looks like I can get it out pretty easy, but I can't get my finger in there to get it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of compressed air to blow it right out of there so I can get that part of this 12 volt phone charger back out of there. Irrelevant, it's a Duracell. You buy them at gas stations and everything else. Thing fell apart. Okay, yay. Spent 15 bucks and boom, it's garbage. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and use some compressed air to blow that thing out of there, and of course get that 12 volt socket working again so I can charge my phone and stay on Facebook with you folks. What do you think? Now I think you can see what my problem is. I got that piece stuck down in there. So we're going to try to get it out of there, and I'm just going to blow it out with a little bit of compressed air, thinking that's all it'll take to get it out. Get it in here and give it a blow on the gun here and see what happens. Now let's check and see if we got everything out. I know we got a couple parts out of there. And I got a little bit of fuse. There's a couple more parts. And another part fell down over here someplace. So maybe that's all there is to it. But we'll go ahead and see if we got it all out. Which we did. Everything is out of there. All the pieces. So now we can put our new one in. Well, we got everything repaired here, so let's go ahead and see if we get a light on this thing when we plug it in. And sure enough, we have the green light on telling me there's power, so I do have it all ready to go. We can carry on and charge our phones in the back seat now if we need to. Just a little bit of a recap. This is basically what was left. If I can get this broke free here. I'm missing one piece yet. Silver little cap that goes through this little hole in this piece right here. But I got the little fuse here and then the retaining collar and ring and everything. That was all stuck up in there. So got it all removed. So I'm good to go. That was it. That's all I needed to do. Guess got to do the housekeeping, right? Got to put everything back. Put my air compressor hose back away and go ahead and make the video. That's pretty much it. That wraps it up. That was a Duracell charger. I bought it like Quick Star or something. Had it for a good year. And they fall apart. The fuses burn out. Blah, blah, blah. Basically it's life. So got it fixed. I could charge my cell phone up, and that is all that counts. But I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of this away. Remember, this is MACTFORDEDGE. Join that Facebook group, and also like and subscribe to us on YouTube. And remember, hit that bell and, of course, register in that fashion. And by all means, my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day. And I want you to have a great day, too. With that being said, Mercy Grill has something to tell you. hit a little bit of raw footage and some music to go with it. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.